So I have one of them, Kamado Bono Grande, and what's happened is one of the bar, the holding, 3 springs, is broke. So I get a new one with a much better metal. So and I have to put back. So this springs is very hard stretching. That's I'll show you how I put back. So first I'll put back all this one sides, and make sure for your the Kamado top pot stand on the right, because first time I already did it and that pot was standing not straight, so I have to discement it again and put back. So and I think it's good to show you for somebody the video, because I just check on the YouTube, not much videos how to put those springs. Okay, so now I put that a bar and make sure this is correct. Tidy those nuts, and then I'll show you how I put those springs. And like I say, most important for that is be exactly the same, right? That top pot, and after you have to tidy the nuts. No, double check, is everything okay around. So now this last thing, we have to put the springs, but you need a helper. Okay, can you lift? Because you need only 2 persons. So for this you need a screwdriver. Okay, put screwdriver like this, and yes, one done. You do second one. Okay, screwdriver like this. Yes, second one. And the last one. Yes, screwdriver like this, and yes, hold on. Paleisk. Is it? Voila. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and peace.